Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to resolve this issue when you're building your expo app. So I have just created an app and then run up the command npx expo stat. I will just run it once more. npx expo stat. So if you can have a look here, there is a network issue. This is actually a network issue. I can simply resolve this issue in 2 seconds for you. So have a look at the statting and then fetch field. So to resolve this issue, you just need to right click here and create a new file. The new file should be called .env, and then after that you need to put this code inside this file. So node underscore tls underscore reject unauthorized is equal to 0, and then save this file. Just save it. Save. Yeah, make sure everything is in, and then after that come to terminal, new terminal, and just run your npx expo stat. This will actually resolve the issue. You need to wait a few seconds and then your app will be installed on this phone. So if you can see here, the app is already installed. You just need to press I if it's Android device. So I've got an Android device. I press I. Press yes if this is asked, like install the recommended expo go version. So it's downloading the recommended expo version now, and the app will be installed here shortly. There you go. Your application is being built on your Android device. There you go. Your application is installed. Please subscribe to my channel and let me know if you've got any issue in relation to React Native project development or app development. Thanks.